Shalom, my people. Shalom. Yes, this is part 2 of the video that I said I get robbed in Jamaica. Now, the reason why I come out with this video, not to scaremonger people, but is to put you on awareness of when you go on holiday, or like for me, I'm from there. If you go on holiday or you want to return back to your country to live, I would advise you not to go back where you was grown up. I think the reason why I get robbed and my father's house was broken into is because that's the house I was grown up in. My father still lived there, but I just go there to stay with him for a bit. Because normally when I go to Jamaica, I don't stay there. Normally I stay somewhere else, which is more safe. But because my father insisted that I should come and stay with him for a while, for a couple of days, I said to myself, let me go and let him happy, feel good that his daughter is there with him. But little did I know that they were watching me in the house, in and out of the house. So, I say this to say that when you go to Jamaica, or if you go to any of your country, I don't know, I'm just speaking of Jamaica, because I don't know nothing else than Jamaica. If you go to Jamaica and you're going to stay, or you want to live, or you want to return back to your country, I would not advise you to go where you grow up or where you were born or birth. Your mother give birth to you otherwise. I think you should buy somewhere else where maybe out of the area that you were grown up in, because sometimes when they know that you come back, they target you for what you don't know about. Now, I would say to someone, when you go back, please be mindful. You're not showing off, but they know you're foreigner, so they're gonna want to come and take what's not belong to them. Now, they stole my 2 iPad. I get back those 2. My earphone, I didn't get back those. My AirPod, I didn't get back those. And I did bring something for recording, like my camera, my you know what you pin on your chest for the recording. I didn't get back that one. So I'm just saying this to say this. When you go out, be mindful. Be careful of where you go and how you go about it. And I'm going to come back with the next part. Shalom, my people. Shalom. Thank you.